A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we'll learn the iman-e-mujmal. Iman-e-mujmal. First of all, what is iman-e-mujmal? A brief description of faith is called iman-e-mujmal. Today we'll learn the iman-e-mujmal. How to recite iman-e-mujmal. Amantu billahi. This alif will be stretched because there is a standing fatha is on the alif. Amantu billahi. This one lam will not be bold because ba has kasra sign. When the previous word has kasra sign, then lam will not be bold. So this will pronounce as amantu billahi kama huwa kama. Kaf. This one kaf will not be bold. Huwa. Ha. This one ha pronounced from the bottom part of the throat. Kama huwa bi asma'ihi as seen. Seen pronounced like a whistle sound. Bi asma'ihi. Stretch the ma because there is a long mud on the ma. Bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu. This one qaf will be bold because it has a two dot. Wa qabiltu jami'a. Jami'a. Ain pronounced from the middle part of throat. Ahkamihi. Ha. This one ha pronounced from the middle part of throat. Ahkamihi iqrarun bil lisani wa tasdiqun bil qalb. Repeat it after me. Amantu billahi kama huwa bi asma'ihi wa sifatihi wa qabiltu jami'a ahkamihi iqrarun bil lisani wa tasdiqun bil qalb. The translation of iman-e-mujmal is: I solemnly declare my belief in Allah as He is with all His names and attributes, and I have accepted to obey all His commandments by pledging with my tongue and testifying them with my heart. This iman-e-mujmal is enough for today. Now tomorrow we'll learn the iman-e-mufassal. Allah Hafiz.